Hi, I'm Sorry from affiliate.com, and today's video I'm going to share with you a really cool tool I use to create all sorts of affiliate marketing promotional materials, digital banner ads and campaigns. So the tool in question is canva.com. It's a free cloud-based software. There's a free option and a paid version, but the free one is perfect. It's a free software that allows you to create all sorts of promotional materials, banner ads, as I said, banner ads, social media posts, logos, for example, and it's very easy to use. So let's just jump straight into the software on the screen, as you can see. So here's just some of the ads that I've created, banner ads. So let me just load this one of them up. Okay, so this is your design editing page. So as you can see, this is one of the ads that I've just created. So if you just simply click on the page here, the ad, and you can start typing away and just write in your content, type your content. You can add images, photos, whatever you want. Just simply drag and drop. You can move them about a bit, whatever the way you want. What else can you do? You can also add elements, for example, arrows, all sorts of lines, gradients, social media icons. Simply drag and drop like this. Okay, like that. Okay, so let's have a look at some of the types of promotional designs that you can create. So if I go create new design, here's we go. So you can create presentations, Facebook posts, Facebook covers, Instagram posts, logos, flyers, cards, infographics, brochures, all sorts of things, little ebook covers, a lot of things that you can use for your affiliate marketing campaigns. So it's very easy to use compared to other softwares that I've used, for example, advanced photo editing software, which contain loads of features that you don't really need, especially for affiliate marketing, where you're just going to create some basic ads and posts. So this is perfect. Save you time. There's literally no learning curve. It's simply drag and drop. Also, there's two versions: paid version, free version. The free version has enough features, sufficient features, to get you going. So for me personally, I haven't had to upgrade to the paid version. The only thing I found is some of the images that require payment. So for example, if you see a dollar sign or a pro sign is basically, if you add an image here, you see a pro sign. Pro sign means that it's the upgraded version image that you need to upgrade for if you want to use this image. Otherwise, if you use this image like this, for example, it's going to show a watermark. Okay, but you can just not use these images. Simply, if you just want to stick to the free one, just go with the free images, right? So that's about it basically. It's very easy to use. As I said, you can quickly, literally within minutes, you can just use the preloaded templates. There's so many templates. For example, look at this one, leaderboard ad. Look at all these templates. You can just simply drag and drop like this and just start using it. You can see like this. You can start just typing away like that. Okay, and just change it whatever you want, the way you want, and it's just a fantastic piece of software. I'm just going to do an undo because I'm going to revert it back to my original ad design that I made, and that's it really. It's so easy to use. Check it out. I'll put the link in the YouTube description below, and that's it for now. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. And also, if you'd like some free affiliate resources on how to earn income online with affiliate marketing, please visit affiliate.com/free, and I'll put a link in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching.